Good afternoon, everybody. I'm just trying out a new piece of software, which is actually really lush. So I thought I'd try this out and I would see how this software works in real time. Now, I am with you live. The time is 13:32, about 1:30 on Tuesday, the 2nd of May. And this software is incredible because it gives me the ability to go live on Facebook to see how many people's watching, to wait for the comments to come in, and then I can put those comments up on screen, which is really good. I can play video clips, audio clips, I can add pictures and images and all sorts of stuff. So I thought I'd try out this new software just because it seems the right thing to do. Normally I'm a little bit more technical when it comes to live streaming, in the sense that I use a piece of software called OBS to live stream to YouTube. And today I just wanted to try out this incredible piece of software called Ecamm Live. It's incredibly reasonable price wise, and it gives me the ability to bring people onto the call. If somebody wants to call, all you've got to do is find me on Skype. That's michael@stellamedia.co, and then I can bring you onto the call and we can have a chat. We can ask and answer questions of each other. There's just a real-time conversation, which is great. But the real reason that I came onto this software today is to talk to you about a problem that Lana and I have just had. I say just had, it's been about a month or so. And we were with an American hosting company, which years ago were absolutely incredible. They were very reasonable. But what we found is that Lana's website went down. And I went into the back end, if you like, and I tried to sort the problem. Tried to restore the website in the way that it was. It's taken Lana 5 years to build this website. And there were no backups. 5 years of work absolutely wasted. Now, a month on, it's given us the ability to reflect on what we want to do with Lana's website, and that will have an impact on Stella Media itself, because we tend to apply one lesson on one website and then the same lesson on another. So obviously I'm now looking after Bibly, which is a Bible course, Bible study program, and you find that at bibly.co. Lana has her own website at lanamorris.com, where she talks about color coaching and helps people understand their life through color. And then we also run Stella Media Together, which is a website where we help you as spiritual business owners with all of your marketing needs, but primarily we design and create and build websites for spiritual people. So whether you come from the mind, body, spirit space, whether you come from the Christian space, or whether you come from another spiritual perspective, we're here to help you design, build and create an incredible website where you can share your message to the world. So following on from that, as I say, there was no backup available. It basically meant that 5 years of work had been wasted. And so what we thought we would do is we thought we would look for another hosting provider. Now, you have your domain name, which is your address on the internet. You have your hosting. Now, your hosting is where you store all of your website files. You store your blog posts, you store your pages, your audios, your videos. Hosting is where you store all of your information for your website. And our hosting went down. We lost everything. And so we found a few blog posts that gave us the ability to look for other providers. And we settled on a hosting company based in Bulgaria called SiteGround. And I have to say, the experience has been incredibly different. Within the first few minutes, I needed to talk to them about the theme I was using, and I went on to live chat. I met a very knowledgeable young lady who was able just to guide me through the process of setting up a new website on SiteGround. And they've just been absolutely brilliant. On top of that, I used to pay $40 a year for an SSL certificate, which means that I can legitimately secure my website and sell from it. And $40 a year to this American company grated a bit, especially when you've got 3 websites. But with SiteGround, it comes completely free. And so the whole experience of the transfer has been absolutely beautiful. We've got 3 websites up very, very quickly. We're building websites for clients, and we are now recommending that each of our clients go with this particular hosting company from Bulgaria. And that hosting company is called SiteGround. Okay, it's just an unbelievable experience from start to finish. And if you already have a website and you're not sure that you are enjoying your hosting experience, then I guess I'm here to say to you, go with SiteGround, because it is absolutely incredible. All right, now all you've got to do, if you want SiteGround, I think they've got 60% off at the moment. You have to pay for a year, 2 years, or 3 years in advance. Lana and I went for the 3-year option because we were around to stay. But it's 60% off in a minute. I think I was paying £240 a year per hosting environment with the American company. This has cost me, I think, £56 a year for unlimited websites. So I signed up for 3 years just on the basis that it's absolutely beautiful. So if you are struggling with the hosting on your website, then have a look at SiteGround. Now, I have created a link. You can find that link at stellamedia.co/SiteGround. That's stellamedia.co/SiteGround. Lana and I do make a few pennies if you choose to transfer over. But I want you to have a look at it for yourself, because I have to say it's unbelievable. It really is. So have a look. You can find that at stellamedia.co/SiteGround. And do us a favor. Let us know how you're finding your hosting company, which hosting company you would recommend. And lastly, I guess, I'm just looking here. I've been online for nearly 8.5 minutes. Let me know what you think of this new software. It's called Ecamm Live. It's only available for the Mac, but it means that live streaming is incredibly easy. All right. So there you go. Have a look at SiteGround, stellamedia.co/SiteGround. Let me know who you host with and what you like about them, and whether there are any other hosting companies that you'd recommend. And let me know what you think of this new software. My name is Michael Griffin of Stella Media, and Lana and I will be with you very soon. Goodbye for now.